Hello my darling, welcome back for another tutorial. I have mirrored this video so you can just follow along as you see me. This choreo, you can do it without heels or with, if you want to challenge yourself. We are going to start in a bevel with our right foot. It is to holy class. You saw that in the title, but fine. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Step on left, use your left arm. 1, 2, then on 3, you look over your left shoulder. You'll hear it in the music. 3, then we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we bounce up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's 6, 7. You'll hear it in the music. It's boom, boom. Goes quite fast. Then you point your left toe, you roll over your foot, and you bring your right leg to the front. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you make sure that you're here. You can either step right, left, or you can use your momentum. You're here, or you're to the front, you go to the back, and you jump. Then you come up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. She says, click. You'll hear it in the music. Let's do it again from the start. You can always rewind the video and watch again if this went too fast, because I understand if it did. But let's also do it together one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, and lock, and ta, ta, and ta, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. She says, sorry for the interruption. She says, I ain't like these hoes with they ass out. So we show them ass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Sorry, my counting was a little bit off there. So on and 1. So 8, that's when you jump. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3. Yes. If you want to learn the rest of this choreo, make sure to leave a comment, a thumbs up, whatever, and let me know, and I will post the rest. If you want to see the full choreo on music, then make sure to go to the link in the description. You'll see the whole dance there, and you can practice there. And obviously, you can rewind this video to make sure that you know the full choreo. Thank you.